Good morning, dear children. So today we will see this in mixed bag. That is, you'll have to do it on your own at your home. Fine. That is, choose the correct answer. That is, if 1256 plus 2456 is 3712, then 2456 plus 1256 is how much? Okay. Result you'll have to write over here, and after that you'll have to compare. Fine. Next is, if 2406 plus 3128 plus 1096 is equal to 6630, which of the following is true? That you'll have to compare over here. Okay, then 100 more than 4506 is what? That also you'll have to see out here. The sum of the smallest 4-digit number and the largest 3-digit number is which one? That you'll have to write. And here, work this out in your notebook. Write the sum. Okay, so these things you know already. Okay, so that's how you'll have to do. Okay, I'll show you, means I will do some of the descriptive out here. Okay, find the sum also. Find the sum also is the same thing. From 1 to h number you'll have to do. Even in I also you'll have to do. Now I will do this thing. Okay, in story sums. Jim has 2084 stamps. His sister Simi has 5018 stamps. How many stamps do they have together? That means what? You need to add this how many are there with Jim, how many are there with Simi. So let us see how do you do it. Okay, so you'll have to do it like this way. Let me show you that it is number 4, it is number A. Jim has 2084 stamps and his sister Simi has 5018 stamps. So totally how much? So you need to do. So here you'll have to do how many stamps do they have all together. So all together you'll have to now add. So 8 plus 4 is equals 12. So 8 plus is equals 12. So here it is 12. So 2 has come here. Now 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So it is 0. And the 1, remaining 1 will come here. Okay, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So altogether these much stamps they have. Fine. So this is how you'll have to do this maths. Next is, there are 5262 girls and 2416 boys in a college. Fine. That means there is a college where there are 5262 girls and 2416 boys in that college. So find the total number of the students in the college. So in the same way you'll have to write. This is also you need to do the addition. So girls 5262 and after that you'll have to write boys 2416. So total is how much? That means you'll have to add, and finally you'll have to write in the answer that total students in the college is that added value. Fine. So likewise you'll have to do here whatever is there you'll have to do. A florist had 3006 flowers. He bought an equal number more. Okay, how many flowers does he have now? Means 3006 flower the florist had. Okay, again he has taken 3006 flowers. So you'll have to add these both and you'll have to take out the answer. Anil spent 6243 on Monday and 246 on Tuesday rupees. So how much money did he spend altogether? So altogether how much it will be? Again it will be added. So do add this one plus this one. So the added value or the added result will be the together spent result. Okay, likewise you'll have to do everything. What is 245 more than 5600? So this one also you'll have to do. So this much you need to do at your home. Okay, and almost all are same. This is you do, then not this much you do at your home, still this much. These are all the same only. Fine. You need to add and practice at home very sincerely, very clearly. Okay, so this is how you do your maths. Have a great day.